How to restrict group chat in Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you may know, if you want to restrict a group chat on Messenger, for some reason you do not find that option. As you can see, there's no feature for you to restrict the group chat. So how can you do that if there's like nothing in the app to get the job done? Luckily, there's a feature or option which is kind of similar to restriction, which can get the job done, and it's the ignore group chat. I believe it's just the name has changed of the restriction to be ignored, but it does work the same way. However, in order for us to get that feature, we will not be using the regular Messenger app. Instead, we will be using the Facebook Messenger on a web browser. So go ahead and open up any browser you have and search for Facebook and navigate to your account and log in. And make sure that you are on the desktop site version. Now, once you are here on the page right here, once you are on this page right here, what you need to do is you need to navigate to the Messenger section. So let's go ahead and do that. And as you can see right here, I'm on this page and I want to restrict this group chat right here. So on the left corner on top of the screen right here, you will see you have some options. So just click on the privacy and support dropdown, and from there you will see an option that says ignore messages. If you clicked on it, you will get this pop-up window right here, and as you can see, it tells you that you won't be notified when someone messages this group, and this group will move to spam, and they won't tell anyone in the group that the messages have been ignored. So this is basically work the same way as the restriction. That's why I said I believe it was only the name of the feature that was changed, and this ignoring feature is the same, or is the restriction feature. I don't know about that. I just said I think so. So what you need to do right here is you need to click ignore messages, and as you can see, the chat has been hidden, the group chat has been removed to spam, and you won't be notified when anyone messages that group chat, and you don't even have to leave that group chat. You can only just find it in the as I will show you right here, the messages request. You'll find it in your spam section, so it's right here. As you can see, it's in your spam section, and you will be able to see what the messages without being notified or anything like that. So that was it for this video. That's how you can restrict a group chat or group conversation in Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.